All right, so here's the homework key for your homework for Tuesday, March 31st, your rectangle. So properties of a rectangle, they have 90 degrees, 90-degree angles, and your diagonals are congruent to each other. So we know for both of these problems that segment KM is congruent to segment GL. And they also have all the properties of a parallelogram as well. So for problem 1, we're going to use this relationship, and we're also going to use it for problem 2. So setting the two expressions equal to each other, we have 4x minus 1 is equal to 3x plus 4. Subtract 3x from both sides. We have x minus 1 is equal to 4. Add 1. X is equal to 5. So this is for problem number 1. Problem number 2, we use the same relationship. And so we have 3 halves x plus 1 is equal to 2x minus 6. 3 halves x is the same as 1.5x. And so I'm just going to rewrite that fraction into a decimal. So subtract 1.5x from both sides. And we have 1 is equal to a half of an x minus 6. Add 6. X is equal to, 0.5x, is equal to 7. Divide by 0.5, divide by 0.5, and I ran out of room, so let's go up here. So x is equal to, so 7 divided by a half would be 14. So x is equal to 14.